Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering on and preparing the XM4. Press and hold the power button until you hear power on. Once done, hold the power again to enter pairing mode. The LED will flash blue and red. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and visible, and close other active Bluetooth connections to avoid conflicts. You should also open the Sony Headphones Connect app if you want extra settings later, but it's not required to pair. Now move to your device and scan for new Bluetooth devices. On your device, open Bluetooth settings and start scanning. You'll see WH1000XM4 or a similar label appear. You tap that name to initiate pairing. Your device may show a progress indicator. If a PIN is requested, enter 0000, then tap Confirm. Once paired, your device will show connected and route audio to the headset. If you use the Sony app, grant permissions so adaptive features and firmware updates appear. You can now test audio playback and adjust noise cancellation or ambient sound settings as needed. You finish by confirming audio roles. In Bluetooth settings, set the XM4 as media and call audio so calls route correctly. Make sure firmware is current by opening Sony Headphones Connect and installing any updates. Updates fix stability and ANC performance. If audio lags, unpair and repair, or restart your device. If pairing fails, reset the headphones, power off. Then press and hold power and noise canceling buttons for about 7 seconds until the indicator blinks, then retry pairing. That reset resolves most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.